The 19th Asian Games officially opened on Saturday. Green is one of the fundamental principles guiding the organization of the Hangzhou Asian Games, and zero waste is considered an important aspect of the Green Asian Games. Today, follow me to discover how zero waste is realized in the Asian Games Village and the main media center.
By zero waste, it doesn't simply mean not generating solid waste, but aims to continuously promote waste reduction at the source and waste recycling, thus minimizing the impact of solid waste on the environment.
In the cafeteria, all utensils are made of biodegradable materials.
In the Asian Games Village, all the garbage needs to be sorted. After dining, the food scraps need to be sorted as well. Volunteers will guide you patiently to ensure the sorting is correct.
If you have no food left on your plate, you can also scan the QR code nearby and earn low carbon points.
On the Asian Games app, there are many ways to earn low carbon points, such as recycling empty bottles, going out on foot, and shopping with no plastic bag. As long as you finish the required low carbon tasks, you can earn points on your app and eventually redeem souvenirs.
It is a need for whole world to follow this policy, because if we go to the zero waste policy, then it is good for environment, it is good for our climate, it is good for the overall growth of human beings in this world. Everything, if it has a green option, it should be adopted.
In the apartment, coat hangers and cups are all made of wheat straws, also biodegradable.
In the main media center, souvenirs are also practicing zero waste. The silk product shop can make customized silk scarves for clients, and from design to production, it only takes 2 hours to finish.
The digital printing technology used by the silk company is not only intelligent but also eco-friendly. The printing process is precise and efficient with no wastewater produced after.
这台机器呢，是我们万士力自主研发的一台非常绿色环保的印染一体机。那我们这台机器呢，精准的一个计算出我们这块面料上是需要多少的墨量，所以它没有多余的废料来排出，所以是非常绿色环保，很契合我们这个亚运的办赛理念。